everyone, this is our best-selling G-Series explosion-proof lamp model this year.
Built for high-temperature hazardous spots, industrial workshops, dust rooms, hazardous material areas, they handle tough conditions easily. Our lines mainly exports to Europe and the US, and these certifications are why we meet their strict rules. X. Must-have for explosion-proof products. IECX, global standard for international markets. TVSD, backs safety and quality. ETL, unlocks the US market.